my goodness. Look at this. What a way to wake up with that view right outside the window. Just amazing. And what do we have here? There's the girl doing her thing, as always. You doing that new Shanti program? How are you liking it so far? Yeah? Yeah. And what a setting to do this in. Wow. So we are on a boondocking area that's off of Highway 89 north of Flagstaff. You take Forest Service Road 545, and then we took some branches here and there to get to this spot that we're at. We're just passing through for one night on our way to Monument Valley. We know that the Native American lands in the Monument Valley area are closed, but we still thought that we would pass through that area as we make our way towards southern Colorado. Even though things are closed, we'll still see what we can see, find out what we can, learn about the area, so that when it does open, we'll be able to hit the ground running and see all the neat things that there are to see in that area. So when we get to the Golding's RV Park, which is where we're going to stay for 3 nights, we'll take Pearl and explore what we can and get to know the area the best way we can. But man, this site is just amazing. Look at that view, and the sun came up over this mountain. Ah, it was absolutely beautiful. But man, was it windy last night. Oh, we are exposed up here on the top of this hill, and the wind was howling. The van was just rocking. I have our cell booster antenna, which is not really necessary here. You get very good cell service of AT&T at least. Oh, look, there she goes. She's a-dancing.
No dance today.
Oh, there's no dancing. Oh, okay. Well, see, that pretty much looks about how I dance, so that's dancing to me. So Kim's gonna do her exercises with Shanti, her love, and we will pack up, which there's really not much to pack up. Put the antenna down, and that's it. And we'll head on our way to Golding's at Monument Valley, which will be a first time for both Kim and I. I've been through the area, but never really stayed to check things out. And Kim has never been there at all. So this is one of the things that she really wanted to do. So I thought, all right, well, since we're going to be in the area, I'll make arrangements for us to pass through at least and see what we can see. So once she gets done, we'll get packed up and on our way. Yep, that's pretty much how I dance.
Today is strength training.